Parramatta BMW Fast Lane service can perform all minor servicing, repairs and recalls in our Fast Lane service workshop in only 90 minutes. When arriving, keep an eye out for the motorsport checkered flag and make sure you enter via the Fast Lane driveway. Upon entering the Fast Lane driveway, you'll then see a sign directing you up the ramp to the Fast Lane check-in customer parking, which is now located on level 1. Once your BMW is parked, you'll be greeted by our Fast Lane controller who will identify your vehicle for your scheduled time slot booking and also confirm the work being performed with you before our team of technicians on standby starts work on your BMW. Once you've checked in, make your way down the stairs and across to our state-of-the-art showroom to relax and enjoy some complimentary barista-made coffee and to connect to our free Wi-Fi. Meanwhile, our factory-trained technicians are underway working on your ultimate driving machine. Ensuring it's in peak operating condition, our technicians undergo intensive product training. We live and breathe the BMW brand, which means we know your vehicle best. After our technicians have finished servicing your BMW, you'll receive a complimentary vehicle wash and vacuum as a thank you for choosing Parramatta BMW, the home of BMW in the heart of Sydney. All of this completed in our 90-minute Fast Lane service. We look forward to seeing you soon.